Hello student, today I will demonstrate the experiment number 3. The aim is to compare the EMFs of two given primary cell using potentiometer. This is potentiometer and we have what 4-meter long wire of constant 10 or manganese. These wires are connected in series with the help of metal strip. Here we can see, here this terminal will be A and this terminal will be B. Now this wire is of length 100 centimeter and from this end it will be start 200 centimeter. Now in this we connect the positive terminal of battery to the first end of the potentiometer. Now the second terminal of the battery, that is negative terminal, is connected to the one end of the rheostat and the other end of rheostat is connected to the second end of the potentiometer. So now this will be positive terminal and this will be negative terminal. Here we have what? Two primary cell. Okay, two primary cell. The positive terminal of these two primary cell are connected to the positive end of potentiometer and the negative end of these two cells are connected to the toe end of two-way key. Now, and this is the middle point of the two-way key. Now this end is connected to the one end of resistance box and other end of the resistance box is connected to the positive terminal of galvanometer. Now the negative terminal of galvanometer is connected to a jockey via a wire, a long wire. Now I want to find out the balancing length for this primary cell. So this will be active and this will be deactive because here there is no any key. It is the open circuit. We see here when we on the source and initially no deflection, but when we touch this jockey to positive end of the potentiometer, then galvanometer shows what? Negative side deflection. And when we start to slide this one, we see that initially there is no any deflection in the galvanometer, but and we will continue this type of sliding, but there is a slightly deflection and also we start to slide in second wire and we will obtain a null point here because at this point we get what? Zero deflection in galvanometer and here will be the null point. So this is the 100 centimeter and from this side we count, this will be here is 28 centimeters. So 100 centimeter and 28 centimeter. This will be what? See here. Here balancing length will be L1 will be 128 centimeter. So now this E1 directly proportional to L1. So E1 directly proportional to 128 centimeter. Now we will also obtain the balancing length for this cell. So now we disconnected this cell from the connection and this will be now deactive and now this cell will be active. Again we start the jockey to slide over it. Here we see that the needle is towards left side of the galvanometer and initially there is no any deflection and when we start to slide the jockey over the wire along the length of the potentiometer wire, then it shows it start to deflect like this. Now in this case there is a deflection in galvanometer and we continue this sliding, and we observe that there is a deflection in galvanometer, and we obtain a null point. No, and this will be here is what? Zero deflection. Zero. It means this point will be what? Null point. Here 100 centimeter. This is 200 centimeter, and this part is from this end to this. Here was null point is 44 centimeter. Yani total length will be 244 centimeter. So now balancing point in this case we have 244 centimeter. Now also we have E2 directly proportional to L2, and E2 will be directly proportional to 244. So we have the master formula for this, E1 by E2 equal to L1 by L2. Now we will put here the value of L1 is 128 and 244. Okay, and this will be the final answer. Okay, and this process is repeated one times again. Now we observe that 128 divided by 244. So this will be 244. No. 244, and result is 0.52. So here answer will be 0.52, and this is the experiment. Thank you.